Would you like to add a Facecam to your live stream on your PS5 using your PlayStation camera? Well, if so, you're in the right place. I'm gonna get right into that in this video, so let's roll the intro and get straight into the tutorial. G'day, my name's Marcus. I've been fortunate enough to work on multiple successful YouTube channels, and this channel is all about teaching you exactly how to grow your own successful gaming channel. And sometimes live streaming can be an awesome way to grow on YouTube, and live streaming with a camera really adds some emotion to your stream and allows you to connect with your viewers. So let's look at how to actually do that. So firstly, you will need to have your actual camera plugged into your PlayStation 5. It's a bit of a no-brainer. But once that's all done, you're gonna wanna go to your PS5 home screen, go to settings, then scroll all the way to the bottom and go to captures and broadcasts. Go to broadcasts. Then you wanna go to camera. In here, you'll see the first option you will have is to turn on a switch that will allow you to actually display your camera. And obviously, you're going to want to do that. And below that, you'll have a couple of other options as well. You can change the size, you can add a clipping mask, you can flip your camera to make it horizontal, you can add effects, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, and you can even change the transparency of your camera overlaid on the actual stream. Most of these should be pretty obvious, and if you play around with these, you'll be able to pretty easily see what they actually do to your Facecam. Once you've selected your settings and you're happy with your look, you're good to back out of all of these settings, and next time you stream, if your camera is connected, you will have a Facecam in your live stream. So I hope you found this video helpful. If so, you may also find the video on screen helpful. In it, I'm going to show you how to grow a gaming channel using my 11-step method that I use to personally grow a gaming channel from 0 to over 20 million views. Good luck with your streams, and I hope you find it helpful.